Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face with a facial wash, then follow with toner. Evenly apply RF cream around the eyes. IRF address under eye shadows and fine lines for effective elimination. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eye corner towards the temple. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Evenly apply RF cream to the face. Face RF, lifting and firming. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Wipe the face with a washcloth. Apply serum to the facial area. Lipo laser, eliminate double chin and refine facial contours. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Allow the device to work for 20 minutes. Turn off the instrument, remove the pads, release the strap, and complete the procedure. Apply a mask to the face.